Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the gun is completely unloaded and safe. This prevents accidents. Once done, remove stock panels and screws to expose the trigger assembly, using the correct driver to avoid stripping heads. Make sure to lay parts out in order so reassembly matches orientation. You'll feel resistance on some pins. Apply steady pressure with a punch and small hammer to drift them out. Keep a flashlight on the cavity so you can clearly see springs and sear faces. Once exposed, you'll systematically check components. Look for chipped sear edges, bent pins, weak springs, or corrosion that causes catches. By moving the trigger by hand, you'll identify sticky points or sloppy free play. These clues tell you whether to clean, adjust, or replace a part. If a sear edge is rough, use a fine file with light strokes to restore the engagement geometry. Do not remove material aggressively. Make sure to apply a drop of light oil to pivot. You reassemble the trigger assembly in reverse, ensuring springs seat correctly and pins align. Start screws by hand so threads engage. Once assembled, perform controlled dry fire cycles while pointed in a safe direction to verify smooth pull, consistent sear engagement, and positive reset. Listen for unusual clicks. If the trigger still binds or has inconsistent break, verify spring tensions and part geometry versus a known good part, and make measured replacements. If uncertainty remains, stop and consult a qualified.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.